Are you also planning to buy a DJI Mini 5 Pro? So I think this video is for you. So I just invested in a DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in this video we are gonna unbox it and I will let you know if it's worth it to spend this much money or not. So stay tuned, watch the video till the last and stay connected. So this is the box we get delivered from DJI. I ordered it from the DJI official website, and the box and the drone I ordered for me is DJI Mini 5 Pro. So this is the box or a bag what comes with the combo, and it looks nice. It's a waterproof bag, and now we are gonna open it and I'll show you what are the things we get with it. So here we go. It's a nice well packed and nice setup. So I have bought some additional stuff for my drone for my safety, so I already installed those. Here is the drone nicely packed with a gimbal protector, and this one it works better and well to hold these propellers. And here is the battery stuff where we can put the battery. We will see the other things. Let's move on. Here we go with the battery. So it's having the same battery like other drones like Mini 3, Mini 4 Pro, and here we go, but it's having little less battery backup because of I just ordered the combo, not combo plus. So it comes with 3 batteries, and then the filters, DJI original ND filters, and here we go with DJI RC2. So I have already bought a rubber protective case for it to give it more protection, and this DJI strip. I think this is the best thing. We should always buy it because there is a lot of chances that it will fall down. So here are the things that we got. So here we are gonna remove it. So this is the gimbal protector. It's a one-piece stuff, and the opening of it is same like other drone, but the color I think the color is really nice. So here you can see it's having 2 LiDAR sensors, which works better in the night time, because in the night other sensors cannot see, or they are not it's not visible to them, but these sensors helps you to fly and detect the objects even in the night time. And it's having all 360 view, so 2 for the back sides, 2 for the front, and then 2 for the down. So it's having all the sensors, which make it the safest drone in the Mini series from DJI. And especially something special in this is that camera. It's having I think 1.1 or 1 inches sensor, so that works best during night time and low light. Okay, let's try with the battery. Here is the battery, and we will just get it and install it over here. As you will install it, and then drone will be ready to fly right away. Here, so it's having 2 LED lights at the back side, but I think in other series and other drones it's having in the front section too. And one more good thing I noticed in this drone is the propellers. So it doesn't need screwdriver anymore, so these can be removed manually with the hand, and then you can just install another one if in case any damage. And it's just a lightweight drone even with this, so it is 249 point something gram, so still it's really a heavy machine for such a less weight. So here, this one is DJI RC2. It's compatible with most of the drones. So this is the latest remote control of DJI, and it's having a range of 10 kilometers, but as long as you are not in a crowded area, it works better. And everything is just same like as old drones, but I think this is best instead of putting your phone on like upper side and you need to wait for start. If you have this one, this is the best way. You can make the drone ready to fly within just few seconds. It takes maximum of 10 to 20 seconds. And one more nice thing I like in it is having a DJI simulator where you can practice. If you are a beginner of drones, you can practice how to fly before you are doing it practically. And now about this battery pack. So here it's having indicators where you can see which battery is how much charged. Plus, if in case of like one of your battery is low and others are fully charged, so this charging hub can make all the batteries equally charged just by pressing this button. And it's a Type-C connected like terminal where you can charge your phone also with this. If in case you are at the remote locations, you can charge your phone or other devices with the help of these batteries. So here we have 3 filters. This is ND8, ND32, ND128. So I think this is kind of nice and budget friendly plan to buy this. So now we will talk about where can we get this cheapest, or where can we get it for a cheaper price. So if you are gonna buy it in India, it will cost you I think 120 to 130,000 because of there is no official DJI store over there. So if you are planning to buy DJI, according to my research, when I was in USA, I tried to look for DJI, so it's kind of expensive there. If you are going to any other country like Singapore or Hong Kong, I noticed that the prices are quite high, but I noticed the price of DJI is the cheapest in Philippines. So I bought my drone in Philippines. If you're planning to get it, if you're planning to buy it, Philippines is a visa-free country for Indians and a lot other nationalities. So if you're planning it, you can buy it in a duty-free zone or anywhere in the malls. So if there is a lot of DJI official stores available here in the Philippines, where you can buy it and you can claim your tax also while going back to your home country. And I bought this for around 52,000 Filipino peso. So Indian, we can say roundabout of 75 to 80,000 rupees. Still, it's so much better deal. So instead of buying 820,000, it's better you buy it, you travel here, or it will be more fun. You can enjoy the weather, you can enjoy the beaches and other natural beauty of Philippines. So stay tuned. I will show you how we can fly it, what are the things we should avoid, what are the things we should settings we should do before first flight. All the things, stay tuned and watch the video till the last. So yes, my name is Sandeep Bharadwaj. You are watching Sandeep Bharadwaj vlogs or travel with Sandeep Bharadwaj. And I am a traveler. I have been to America, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, and many more countries. I am still traveling and I am gonna still travel to explore more countries. So if you like my content, if you want to see travel vlogs, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications on time.